Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're firing up the adventure with a sizzling review of the best camping stoves of 2024. Join us as we unveil the top 5 portable camping stoves, meticulously tested and rated to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. From rugged durability to blazing performance, we've got you covered. Get ready to ignite your camping cuisine with the ultimate in outdoor cooking gear. Let's get started. Number 5. The VEVOR Double Burner Outdoor Camping Stove is a versatile and powerful cooking solution for outdoor enthusiasts. With its multifunctional design, it's perfect for holiday picnics, camping trips, and parties, offering convenient and cost-effective cooking wherever you go. Equipped with abundant accessories including a PSI regulator, gas hose, and detachable windshield, this stove is easy to install and use. The independent burner and knobs provide precise heat control, with a maximum output of 60,000 BTU ensuring optimal cooking speed. Safety is a top priority with its high-temperature resistant coating and heavy-duty frame. The detachable legs design provides stability and portability, allowing for compact storage in suitcases or RVs. Compatible with various cookware, from pizza ovens to grill pans, this stove allows for creative and delicious cooking experiences. Whether you're grilling, frying, boiling, stewing, or stir-frying, this stove caters to a wide range of culinary needs. Experience the ultimate outdoor cooking with the VEVOR Double Burner Outdoor Camping Stove. From pancakes and bacon to steaks and burgers, this stove promises to elevate your outdoor dining experience to the next level, making you feel like a professional chef wherever you go. Number 4. The VEVOR Wood Stove is a robust and reliable heating and cooking solution for outdoor enthusiasts. With a spacious 3000 in superscript 3 firebox, this stove provides quick and long-lasting heating without the need for constant refueling. Equipped with a damper and ventilation holes, it offers easy control over fire and smoke, while the integrated ashtray ensures effortless cleaning. Featuring spacious 7-inch by 20-inch shelves, this stove provides ample space for outdoor cooking. The efficient heat conduction plate enables fast cooking, while the side mesh racks can be used for drying clothes or storing utensils and tea sets. This stove comes with a comprehensive set of 9 accessories, including a shovel, scraper, and protective gloves, all lightweight and easy to store inside the stove. Crafted with rust-resistant alloy steel and reinforced with 3 mm thick panels, this stove is built to withstand high temperatures and rough outdoor conditions, ensuring durability and longevity. With 3 security features including a 550-degree powder coating, spark arrestor, and bottom fire grate, this stove prioritizes safety during heating and cooking activities. Whether you're camping, hunting, or simply enjoying the great outdoors, the VEVOR Wood Stove promises to keep you warm, well-fed, and safe throughout your adventures. Number 3. The Coleman Triton 2-burner propane camping stove is the perfect companion for outdoor cooking adventures. Its portable design makes it easy to add to your campsite, picnic, or roadside setup, providing reliable cooking power wherever you go. Equipped with 2 wind guards, this stove ensures efficient heating by shielding and protecting the burners from wind interference. The heavy-duty latch keeps the stove securely closed when not in use, adding to its durability and convenience. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with the Coleman Triton stove. Its durable, chrome-plated grate is removable, allowing for easy cleanup and maintenance. Featuring improved knob rotation, this stove offers precise temperature and simmering control with its 2 independently adjustable burners. With a powerful total of 22,000 BTUs of cooking power, it can easily handle a variety of cooking tasks. Compatible with both 12-inch and 10-inch pans, this stove offers versatility in cooking options. With up to 1 hour of burn time on high using 1/16 ounces propane cylinder, sold separately, you can enjoy extended cooking sessions without interruption. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or having a barbecue, the Coleman Triton stove delivers reliable performance for all your outdoor cooking needs. Number 2. The Coleman Classic 1-burner butane stove is a reliable and convenient cooking solution for outdoor adventures. Its lightweight and compact design, along with the included carry case, make it easy to transport to the campsite, picnic, or roadside, ensuring you can enjoy delicious meals wherever you go. Featuring precise temperature control, this stove boasts a single adjustable burner that allows you to achieve the perfect cooking temperature for your dishes. The porcelain-coated grate is removable for quick and easy cleanup, while the rust-proof aluminum burner ensures durability and longevity. With its large base, this stove provides stability and ease of stirring, enhancing your cooking experience. The InstaStart ignition offers automatic, matchless lighting, providing 7,650 total BTUs of cooking power for efficient meal preparation. Equipped with a wind baffle, this stove helps shield the flame from wind interference, ensuring consistent heating even in challenging outdoor conditions. Compatible with one 10-inch pan, it offers versatility in cooking options. With up to 1.25 hours of burn time on high using one 8.8-ounce butane gas cylinder, sold separately, you can enjoy extended cooking sessions without interruption. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or enjoying a picnic, the Coleman Classic butane stove delivers reliable performance and convenient cooking for all your outdoor adventures. Number 1. The Gas 1GS 3400P propane or butane stove offers unparalleled versatility and convenience for outdoor cooking and emergency preparedness. Compatible with both butane and propane fuel not included. This dual-fuel stove operates on a single butane cartridge, 8 ounces, or a propane cylinder, 16.4 ounces, providing flexibility in fuel options to suit your needs. Featuring automatic piezoelectric ignition, this stove eliminates the need for lighters or matches, ensuring hassle-free ignition with the push of a button. The adjustable heat dial allows for precise temperature control, enabling you to customize your cooking experience to perfection. Safety is paramount with the Gas 1GS 3400P stove. It is equipped with a built-in pressure sensor cartridge ejection system and gas flow cutoff mechanism, butane, which automatically ejects the cartridge and cuts off gas flow in case of irregular pressure, ensuring peace of mind during use. Compact and lightweight, this stove is easy to transport and store, making it ideal for camping trips, picnics, and emergency preparedness kits. With its durable alloy steel and metal construction, this stove is built to withstand rugged outdoor conditions for years to come. Whether you're cooking up a feast in the great outdoors or preparing for emergencies, the Gas 1GS 3400P propane or butane stove delivers reliable performance and convenience when you need it most.